Historical background of modern classification. In the past, scientists heavily relied on very few observable features for classification. Living organisms were classified as plants and animals. Plants were further classified as herbs, shrubs, and trees. Animals were classified as carnivores, herbivores, and omnivores. Modern classification therefore took into account the evolutionary relationships between organisms, hence has overcome many weaknesses of the traditional classification. The pioneer of modern classification is a Swedish biologist known as Carolus Linnaeus. He came up with groups or taxa into which organisms are placed as a matter of convenience. He called the taxa, taxonomic units of classification. Each unit was to reflect the position of an organism in relation to the others in the classification scheme. There are 7 units of classification. NB, as you move from kingdom to species, the number of organisms in each taxon decrease but the similarities increase. Species, this is the smallest unit of classification. Members of a species freely interbreed to produce fertile offspring. Genus, plural genera. A genus is made up of a number of species that share several characteristics. Members of a genus cannot interbreed, and if they do, the offspring are infertile. Example, a donkey Equus asinus and a horse Equus caballus belong to the same genus, but when mated they produce a mule. The mule is infertile because the donkey and the horse are not of the same species. All living organisms are classified into 5 major kingdoms. Kingdom Munera, Kingdom Protoctista, Kingdom Fungi, Kingdom Plantae, and Kingdom Animalia.